Okay, good morning to everyone. Hi guys, I am Dervin Alves and shout out to my class. The grade 10 step or the grade 10 section of the Science and Technology Engineering program. Okay? So, what are we going to do today is to derive the formula for arithmetic series. The arithmetic series is the sum of the arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. So when we talk about, when we say arithmetic series, we are referring to the sum. Okay? So take a look the title, arithmetic series, the sum of arithmetic sequence, or arithmetic progression. We are going to derive the formula for the sum or S sub n. Okay? So, let us say that we are asked to find the sum of the n terms of the arithmetic sequence. And the abbreviation for the sum is S sub n. Okay? This is what we call the international agreement of those who are studying algebra, specifically in the lesson of the sum of the arithmetic sequence and the sum of geometric sequence. We are going to use S sub n as an abbreviation. So, we will have S sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus ellipses plus the last term or the n term, which is A sub n. Can you follow?
Yes.
So, now, we have discussed in the previous classes that the A sub 2 or the second term can be represented or equal in terms of the common difference. And what is that? You will have A sub 1, which is the first term. A sub 2, remember, can be written as A sub 1 plus D. Okay? The A sub 3 can be written as A sub 1 plus 2D plus plus A sub n. So we are trying to derive again the formula. Okay, so this is the value of S sub n. However, if we are going to go to the last term, in order to get the term before the last term, what are we going to do? We are going to what? Subtract the common difference. Are you with me? Okay, let's do this. So if the last term is 10 and the common difference is 4, in order to next the term before the last term, I will subtract 10 minus 4. I will have 6. So therefore, I can do that here also. So, but I will write it here. I will write it here. So, you may say, or S sub n is equal to A sub n minus D, like what we are doing there, plus A sub n, so this must be A sub n, sorry. So this must be A sub n, the last term. So we will have the A sub n plus A sub n minus D. And then, after this, if you will notice, what is the next one? That will be 2. Right? Meaning, we subtracted the twice of the common difference. 2 times 4 is 8, 10 minus 8 is 2. In other words, A sub n minus 2D. So therefore, plus, we will have A sub n minus 2D plus plus A sub 1, which is now the last term because I reversed it. So, therefore, if we are going to add these people, you will have 2S sub n is equal to, if we add these two, we cannot combine. You will have A sub 1 plus A sub n, right? Andiyan pa ba kayo? Plus, what will happen to D? Yes, that will be opposite. That will be equal to 0. So, we are adding these two. Right? So, you will have A sub 1 plus A sub n plus what will happen to positive 2D and minus 2D? That will be equal to what?
0.
0 again. So we will add these two again. You will have a sub 1 plus a sub n plus dot dot dot. Then we are going to add this plus a sub 1 plus a sub n. I hope I am not confusing you. Let me erase this part and then the continuation is this. So, if you will notice, we will just copy this. You will have 2 s sub n is equal to, take a look, what do you notice? So we are just adding the same. But how many times? How many times is this? This will be equal to what? N times. Kung ilang term yan. Halimbawa, if 10 term yan, edi 10 times the a sub 1 plus n. If that is 15, 15 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. So therefore, in order to make it shorter using the product, we will have the n times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now, in order to get sum, what do we do here on the left side? We what? In order to have this, we divide this by 2. And then, divide this by 2. Cancel this. And then you will have n times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. Or, you may write in this manner, or s sub n is equal to n over 2, just the same thing, times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. And this is now the formula for the sum of arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. AP na lang, arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. So, use this formula. Note, take note this note in your notebook. Very important. Use this. If the first and nth term are given, if the first and nth term is given. Of course, even the number of terms. Of course, the n must also be given. Okay? But there is an alternative formula. What is the alternative formula? So you will have s sub n rather is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. But we know this, people. This is the nth term or the last term or the general term or the general rule of the arithmetic sequence. What is the formula for this? So, you are correct. Thank you for remembering it. That will be equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1b. Although we have shorter way of doing that. Okay? Now, if this is equal to this, young people of grade 10 step, instead of using this, we can substitute it here. Diba? Because they are just equal. Right? So you will have s of n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1. Take a look. I use another grouping symbol, which is what we call bracket. Okay? Plus, instead of using this, I will use this. A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times b. And if you will notice, I use bracket because I was able to see in advance that there is already a parenthesis. Okay, so I did not use parenthesis anymore. But we can combine this because they are similar terms. So you will have s sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1. And this is now the alternative formula. And you are going to use this if the last term or n term is not given. I Examples will be given to you later. Thank you so much to my student Haven for doing this. Okay, using her cell phone. Thank you so much. Bye guys.